ये हमारे दिल के बहुत करीब है। यहाँ चंद दोस्तों का तारुफ कराना जरूरी समझता हूँ। नजीम भाई आगे कुछ नहीं है। तारीफ के मोहताज नहीं होते कुछ लोग, तारीफ के मोहताज नहीं होते कुछ लोग, क्योंकि फूलों को भी कभी इतर नहीं लगाया जाता। First of all, I would like to introduce my brother, very close to my heart, successful businessman, and for us, he is a mayor of Brampton. Big round of applause for me and Nadeem bhai.
वाह वाह।
Now, I would like to thank you. Yes, bhai. Now, I would like to thank you, my beautiful wife, and my 3 little angels, my daughters. Sana, thank you for always with me. Actually, you know what? Sometimes she irritated with me because of the politics, right? But now she understands that me and politics go together. And thank you so much to Sumaira Bhabi and Hifza. The next one, showbiz tycoon. अगर आप थोड़ा टाइम देते हैं हमें। Showbiz tycoon and a great realtor, my brother, Mr. Ahmed Shamsi and Zainab Bhabi. Ahmed bhai is a guy who knows how to manage and arrange a big festival within a blink of an eye, and doing halal food festival from the last 10 years. After that, we have a big name in community, my older brother, Chaudhary Javed Gujar. He's the president of Pakistan People's Party Canada, and now we are so proud of him because he got a new appointment yesterday from government of Pakistan as a focal person in Canada, and it happened for the first time in the history of Canada. We're so proud of you. Then we have a voice of Brampton. Any idea? Yes. We have a voice of Brampton with true leadership qualities, my brother Safdar Hussain. He is a lawyer by profession, and also he was a candidate for MPP from the last 2 times with platform of Ontario Liberal Party. And Rukhsana Bhabi, please stand up. Safdar bhai's wife, and a big name in legal industry. And by the way, मेरी तमाम क्लोजिंग रुखसाना भाभी करती हैं. Thank you so much, Bhabhi. Next, we have Rao Tahir bhai. Rao Tahir bhai is the General Secretary with us in Pakistan People's Party Canada, and I'm so proud that we work together very closely for Canadian and Pakistani politics. Now, I would like to introduce my brother and my best friend, Mr. Khalid Alvi. Well-known person in the GTA, die-hard worker of the Liberal Party, and also riding president of Brampton North with MPP Ruby Sohota. I'm sorry, little less, but it's okay. Mr. Murtaza Joya. Joya bhai, thank you so much for coming. He's my brother, successful businessman and a true community activist. He's a very hard-working person. मुकद्दम भाई यहाँ नहीं है. Okay, मुकद्दम भाई on the way. मैं उससे इंट्रोडक्शन करवाता हूँ कि मुकद्दम भाई, out of all the people I have ever met, he's a great, nice person. We feel proud of him because he's serving in Canada as a manager of Etihad Airlines. Right? But before that, he also served as a country manager of PIA from 2015 to 2020. He was the longest serving country manager of PIA because of his hard work. Big round of applause for him. He's on the way coming. Now, if we talk about Milton, my sister Rabia Azim and Azim Rizvi Bhai, thank you so much for coming. Their contribution towards the community and the Liberal Party is commendable. Thank you so much.